Speaking of this, we all know Nepali subject is hard, but they already made social samajik, so it's in Nepali. And the main reason why kids struggle to pass that subject is mainly the education system's fault. Now I won't blame the government of education fully for this, but I would blame the students as well. But the education system is so flawed, okay? So we all know Nepal relies on English too much because English is a global tool. Nepal uses it too much. Nepal wants students to learn English, while in other countries, their native language is used for many subjects. In Japan, the mandatory subject is only English. The mandatory subject. Other old subjects such as math, science, OPT math, and then what is there? So they are all written in Japanese. So it's really clearly to the point that our country relies on global language English. So that's why, like, instead of Nepali being math, science, it's in English. So we all students rely on English. Even I as a Nepali don't know much advanced Nepali words, while I can actually write poetic scenes or even poetic lines within seconds in English. So it's really, so our English is really trained to the point that we don't even look like Nepalis. So like most childs grew up being normal Nepali, being normal Nepali with bad English. But for those students reading boarding school, it's clearly no, they don't understand. So many end up feeling so soft because we do not understand those words. We do not understand those Nepali words that sounds foreign to us. We do not know advanced words, and because the government of education changed now social to samajik, it's putting more pressure because now students are forced to even try to learn advanced words, and then they cannot because they have been learning English for years and years. So they have it. Now I won't blame the government again, I say fully, because like clearly it's student also procrastinate or they feel lazy to learn. They can learn, but it really feels difficult and everyone really stops learning because of that. That's the point. Okay, that's the point. That's why social feels very difficult to students, Nepali students. It's no shame that it's normal that you fail Samajik, but you should try to pass because like Samajik in English used to be so easy. But we all relied on English so much that Nepali is getting replaced. Instead of saying assignment complete भयो, assignment पुरा भयो, we say assignment complete भयो. Like we are using half English, half Nepali. So this is purely losing Nepali language or just almost English intervening in them. It's really bad, and you came into the camera yourself. I feel like it's clearly bad.